Bethlehem Steel Corporation, Galvanized Products Division.
We pride ourselves on our quality. We pride ourselves on our customer service. The on-time delivery is great. No matter how good your quality is, if you can't get it to the guy when he needs it, it's of no value whatsoever.
And that's one of our biggest selling points in the Galvanized, is that we do get our steel there on time.
He gets what he wants the first time, and that's the important thing, because if you don't give him right the first time, he's not going to come back the second time.
We're constantly upgrading equipment, educating people, continually trying to put out a better product, and I think we're doing it.
A solid commitment to delivering a top-quality product, on time, every time. Continuous improvement in all our processes to back up that commitment. An involved, motivated workforce that consistently delivers on our commitment. That's what we're all about at Bethlehem's Galvanized Products Division. The Galvanized Products Division is located near Buffalo at Lackawanna, New York. We produce coated sheet steels for demanding applications, corrosion-resistant steels for cars, trucks, appliances, and construction. And we do it with one overriding goal: 100% on-time delivery of a top-quality product. Top-quality galvanized steel starts with top-quality raw materials. Hot-rolled bands from Bethlehem's plant at Burns Harbor, Indiana, the newest basic steelmaking facility in North America. Our bands are made from 100% continuous cast steel, rolled on Burns Harbor's computer-controlled hot strip mill, and shipped the 500 miles to Lackawanna in dedicated railroad coil cars, a steady, reliable inventory on wheels. When hot-rolled bands arrive at the Galvanized Products Division, their first stop is the continuous pickler. Top-quality galvanizing demands ultra-clean base metal for proper coating adherence, and the pickler's hydrochloric acid baths remove every trace of mill scale from the steel. Before a band hits the acid, its head end is sheared square and welded to the tail end of the preceding coil. A loop storage system feeds a continuous supply of steel into the acid tanks, where it's cleaned at a rate of 600 feet per minute. Clean steel emerges at the delivery end of the pickler. It's slit to width and wound to the customer's specified maximum coil weight. Clean coils from the pickler move to the four-stand tandem mill, where they're reduced to the customer's ordered thickness. We do it quickly, and we do it accurately. Computer-generated mill presets, feed-forward automatic gauge control, and X-ray gauges let us guarantee half-standard tolerances. Roll bending and a water header shape control system help us produce a very flat sheet. But cold rolling hardens steel, making it difficult to form in most applications. To make the steel softer, more ductile, we box anneal it, carefully heating and soaking the steel in a controlled atmosphere. The annealing furnace heats the coils uniformly and holds them at temperatures from 1050 to 1350 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the mechanical properties the customer needs. Then the steel is slowly cooled to a point where the furnace and inner cover can be removed with minimum oxidation. The annealing process takes about a week, and the steel emerges with a recrystallized grain structure for maximum formability. The temper mill puts the finishing touches on the cold rolled sheet. Light temper rolling imparts the final hardness, flatness, and surface texture wanted by each customer. An X-ray gauge ensures accurate thickness, and oiling protects the surface of the steel during coiling and further handling. Pickling, cold rolling, annealing, and temper rolling prepare the sheet for the heart of our top quality process, the continuous galvanizing line. This is where the steel gets the zinc coating that protects it from corrosion. Uniform coating thickness is the key to top quality galvanizing, and everything we do in the galvanizing mill is aimed at ensuring that uniformity. 2 entry reels provide a steady supply of steel, and a lap seam welder joins the coil ends to keep the steel supply continuous. When the entry end shuts down to make a weld, strip accumulated in a loop storage car feeds at a constant speed through the cleaning section and zinc pot. The strip is cleaned in 3 alkali tanks and an acid tank. It is coated with flux, then dried and preheated in a series of ovens. Finally, the strip gets its corrosion-resistant coating in the molten zinc pot. As it emerges from the pot, the coated steel passes between steam wiping dies that are computer-controlled by a state-of-the-art scanning X-ray gauge. The wiping dies and scanning gauge ensure that the customer's specified coating weight is met, edge to edge and front to back, consistently and uniformly. After the wiping dies, most galvanized strip is given a minimized spangle appearance using the Hertie process, where a very fine zinc dust is blown onto the still wet zinc coating. This sheet can be given a minimized spangle extra smooth surface by re-rolling it lightly on the temper mill. Regular spangle is produced by simply shutting off the zinc dust flow to the Hertie box. And for alloy coatings, a new gas-fired post-anneal furnace is inserted into the pass line. In this furnace, direct flame produces a high-quality, fully alloyed surface. After the galvanized strip is air-cooled, it is coated with oil or a protective chemical treatment and rewound on one of 2 tension reels. From there, some coils go on for special finishing, such as skin passing for an extra smooth finish or custom slitting to meet a customer's exact demands. Each coil is carefully packaged to the customer's specifications and handled with special care through our shipping facility, where we can load up to 100 trucks or 50 railroad cars per day. A reliable supply of hot-rolled bands. Modern equipment to control cleanliness, gauge, and coating weights. Efficient finishing and shipping facilities. That's one part of the formula for delivering top-quality galvanized products. The rest of the equation is people.
The people's attitudes are that they are the best and they can be better.
We've got LNPT committee meetings, we've got damage committee meetings, we've got areas we're looking at to improve customer service, trying to take every possible problem out of the picture so that we can deliver a product that the customer wants and that we're proud of.
The product it just keeps getting better and better. People's ideas make it that way.
People. People trained in statistical process control, using statistical methods to ensure quality throughout our processes. People who keep their equipment in first-rate operating condition. People who are working together, labor and management, solving problems before they get to our customers. People who are tuned in to the customer and his needs. People who know that continuous improvement is the key to success. It all adds up to an enviable reputation for quality and an on-time delivery record near 99%. Bethlehem's Galvanized Products Division. It's top quality people. It's top quality product. And it's getting even better every day.